The National Electrical Code, or NEC, Article 410 addresses lighting fixtures, lamp holders, lamps, and receptacles. Section 410.4 specifically covers bathrooms, toilet rooms, and similar areas, stating that shower rooms and other similar wet areas must have lighting fixtures installed at least 8 feet, which is 2.44 meters, above the floor. Furthermore, Section 410.4c deals with industrial establishments and commercial occupancies, mandating that lighting fixtures be installed to provide average maintained illumination levels of not less than 30-foot candles, equivalent to 323 lux, in shower areas. Several additional considerations are vital for ensuring safety and compliance. Firstly, the type of lighting fixtures used must be approved for use in wet or damp locations. This typically means selecting wet-rated or watertight fixtures designed to withstand moisture. Secondly, the location of switches and outlets should be outside of the shower area to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Thirdly, all metal fixtures and components must be properly grounded to provide a safe path for fault currents. Fourthly, proper ventilation is required to prevent moisture buildup and condensation, which can damage lighting fixtures and create hazardous conditions. Fifthly, it is essential to check local building codes and electrical regulations for any additional requirements or restrictions that may apply to shower area lighting in manufacturing facilities. Recommended code references include NEC Article 410.4 and 410.4c. Proper application of these guidelines ensures the safety and functionality of shower area lighting in manufacturing plants. It is important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local amendments for the most up-to-date requirements.